Hey everyone, let's tackle those frustrating T-Mobile SIM card problems. As of 2025, T-Mobile uses both physical SIM cards and eSIMs, digital SIMs. Even though eSIMs are becoming more common, physical SIM cards are still important, especially for older phones or when traveling internationally. If your T-Mobile SIM card isn't working, it usually boils down to three things: activation problems, incorrect swapping, or improper insertion. Don't worry, we'll walk through each one. A non-working SIM means your phone can't connect to T-Mobile's network, preventing calls, texts, and data usage. We will cover how to get you reconnected. We'll go through each potential fix step by step. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted. Turn off your phone completely. Use a SIM eject tool or even a paperclip to open the SIM tray. Make sure the SIM card is aligned correctly with the gold contacts facing down. Gently push the tray back in and turn your phone on. Next, activation is key. If it's a new SIM card, simply restart your phone and let it automatically connect to the network. If that doesn't work, open the T-Mobile app. It has an AI-powered diagnostic tool that can identify and fix many issues automatically. As a last resort, call 611 for direct support from T-Mobile. If you're swapping SIMs, back up your data first to avoid losing anything important. Then, follow the same insertion steps I showed you earlier. After swapping, double-check your APN settings in your phone's network settings. It should be set to fast.tmobile.com. The T-Mobile app also has a convenient SIM swap service, especially useful for global usage. Here's a real example. A traveler to Europe was experiencing service drops until they used the T-Mobile app's global SIM swap service. They completed the activation in just 3 minutes, getting back online quickly. If all these steps don't work, don't hesitate to contact T-Mobile support directly. And looking ahead, by 2030, advancements in eSIM technology should significantly reduce these kinds of issues for everyone.